Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and account basics so the rest works smoothly. Plug a compatible headset into the controller or USB port. You should hear system feedback right away. If using a 3.5 mm headset, attach the chat adapter and test chat audio. Make sure your Xbox Live account is signed in and microphone access is enabled in settings. This prevents permission blocks later. Once done, go to Profile and System Settings and open Devices and Connections to verify the controller and headset are recognized. You now select a delivery method, app on console, PC relay, or mobile reroute, based on flexibility. For PC relay, install a desktop voice changer and VB audio or virtual cable, then route microphone into Xbox app as the input device. This lets you alter voice in real time. For console apps, download an Xbox-compatible voice changer from Microsoft Store and set it as the system microphone input. Make sure to configure gain, pitch, and effects panels. Test in a private party to confirm stable. You finish by verifying everything works under real conditions. Join a party chat and speak while toggling effects so you can hear the change and judge latency. Make sure to reduce gain if clipping occurs and lower effect intensity to preserve clarity. If audio is missing, reboot the console, replug the headset, check Xbox app input on PC, or reinstall the voice changer. These steps fix most issues. Finally, be mindful of privacy and conduct rules. If problems persist, contact app support for logs and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.